Back again with an interesting video, and this one is a very cool idol I found on the bug bounty program. So, in basically, how this idol works is that you know the way I found it when I got access to the asset. Okay, I looked into the JavaScript and I found the function. So here is the function I found. So this function is called load profile. So this function reads the user ID from the local storage, right? So in the local storage, when the user ID is set to one and I reload the page, it's going to leak the user information with that ID, right? So if you go to the local storage and specify the user ID to a different user ID, you're going to view the information of that user, right? So now when you come here, you see the let's log in to my own account, sign in. Now my account have the ID 3, right? And now we know that there are other users on the system. Okay, so we're going to manipulate or modify the user ID from 1 to 2, set and reload, and we see that we have access to a different user information. So if you look into the local storage, you see that we have user ID set to 2. So you can modify the ID from the local storage. So edit value, then set it to 5 and reload. Come back, okay? Or you can do it from here, right? Set it to 5, reload, and you see that we have access to another user information. So you can set it to a different user ID 6, and now another user information, right? I was able to see the user email, phone number, location, and other informations. So when you reload the page, you see that the user ID is now modified to 6. Okay, so this is how I found the idol using a platform called the Paloma Securities. So this is a very powerful Recon platform for bug bounty hunters, and I am going to advise you to work with it. Okay, so when you come on the platform and you create an account and login, then you can come right under this spot, then select your platform. So you see we have integrity, yes we are common background. So if you want on yes we are, click on it, and now you can select the mode, quick or full scan. I am going to recommend the full scan. Now when you work with the full mode or the full scan mode, then you can select your then you can input the program's link right under here. Okay, so and the way I found the idol is after the scan completes, right? I found an endpoint, a login endpoint, right? So seeing the login endpoint, it looks same as this. Okay, I was not able to create an account. Okay, but in this place right now, you see that we have demo accounts that we can use to log in. But in the application, I was not able to find an account, a way to create an account. So, but while looking into the JS, I found the function profile that allows me to access user information by just knowing the user ID. So the user ID was predictable, right? So that is how I found the idol, and I'm going to recommend you working with this platform. Okay, So when you go on the site, you're going to visit this address, right? Then click on back to Recon. Then when you create an account, okay, then you log in. From here, you can start running your scans. Thank you.